Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my Ipsy Plus. I think that's what it's called, Ipsy Plus. I opted not to get my regular one or my niece's regular one because I really wanted what was in this box. So I chose what was in this box with one item, which I do love. No, I've skipped the past couple months on this because it just hasn't been interesting to me. So it says January 2020, clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. That's nice. The first thing I chose. Oh, and they're putting the value. I've been putting the value on the I mean, it's been a few months, but they weren't. I don't think. No, they weren't. Anyway, this is what I chose. And yes, I did just get one as an add-on. A month or two ago, they allowed you to add this on the full size for $12. So yeah, I chose to get it again because I love this stuff. Honestly, if I wasn't trying to go through some stuff, I think this line would probably help my face the most right now with the chappedness. And I might end up going to it if it just if it doesn't help. It's like from the wind, rain. It's not been uber cold, but it's just winter dryness. So this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I just loved it. My face loved it. I love this line. I love the moisturizer and serum and combined, and I like the smell. This is Give Your Skin the Good Stuff. The Ultra Light Gel Serum is filled with vitamin-rich juice base with things like soothing aloe and brightening apple, all organically grown on Juice Beauty's vineyard. Use morning and night to hydrate, protect, and help ease fine lines. This all-natural formula provides the perfect slip needed for a makeup primer. Value $80. So I got to choose this to go in my, what is this, $25 bag, box, whatever. And it's an $80 product. And if you, I don't know, I think was it the channel on Ipsy? Like, they actually have their own vineyard where they grow their grapes and apples and stuff. Like, seriously. Those are all, yeah, it says organic apple juice is one of the ingredients up in here. So, yeah, I really like this. It's a good size. It'll last like a couple months, really. And I do use this morning and night. It's such a fun little, such a sleek, expensive looking container, really. Next up, and I'm like, how did y'all know me so well? From Duft and Doft. Pink Milk Mask, set of 6. Says, Stan, these easy to use sheet masks are infused with skin brightening combo of niacinamide. We've seen that ingredient come up a lot. If you've been watching my channel, like I'd first heard about it, and I ordered a serum from Beautylish, which I still haven't used because I keep having to go through. Like, I was trying to be good and going through sample size stuff and then going through more stuff, and then yeah, it's still in there. But anyway, it's supposed to be really good for your skin. And ginseng, taking skin from dull to dewy in less than 20 minutes. Perfect for that post-holiday self-care Sunday. Tip: the thin skin neck area needs just as much care as your face. So before tossing the pack, squeeze out any remaining essence and press it into your neck and chest. Which I actually do. Like, I'll take that and I'll like just go down with it, like in a mask. And also it says Tone Up and Radiance. I'm interested. Never heard of this brand. Never seen it before. There's 3 in each, so that's awesome. You got 6 masks. You know I'm a masking queen. I'm like Denny. I love buying sheet mask. This is value $14.98 for a set of 6. So they're like $2.25 a piece, which isn't bad. But I've never seen this brand, and it's a Korean brand. Water, glycerin, niacinamide is like your 4th ingredient. Mother of pearl, conchiolin protein, ginseng berry, Prometheus flower, more flower, rose flower, way down there, Camilla. A lot of good ingredients. Like, these are thick. I can't wait. Next up is from Huda Beauty. This is Obsessions palette and Amethyst. Achieve Instagram-worthy Huda level makeup even if you don't have her skills. With this versatile eyeshadow palette, the collection of 3 matte and 6 chrome shades blend like a dream, and the pink and violet colors are shockingly wearable and super flattering too. Value is $27. These are gorgeous. So gorgeous. But on Sephora's site, they actually list the shades nowadays. And all but like 2 have carmine in this palette. Now apparently the green one, the Amethyst, doesn't contain carmine at all. So I would love to have gotten that one just because I could have used it. I actually have her first 4 that came out as far as I know. And I remember because I still have 2 of them. I have the Electric Obsessions and the Mauve Obsessions. And I think the Brown and the Smoky Obsessions. Those 4 did not contain carmine. The next 4 she put out, I think they were these, or I don't think they were these ones. The next 4 she put out contained carmine. The neon, the reddish one contains carmine, but the green and, is it blue? Don't. So I like how that's textured. It's really, really pretty. Really, really small, but it does have a mirror. So I'll be giving that away to somebody. I don't know who. Next up is an eyeliner from Sugar, which I think I've heard about them. It's cruelty-free or not tested on animals, 6 months shelf life. So why is sulfuric acid in this? Oh my gosh, like the last ingredient is sulfuric acid. Alrighty then. Castor oil, that's actually good for growing your lashes, so that's interesting. And no carmine, so that it says I'll be black. That's the name. So it is a black liquid liner. It says get the best cat eye of your life with this jet black liquid liner. It's firm, easy to control, tip draws clean, crisp lines every single time, no pro skills required. And the best part, the formula is 100% waterproof, so once it's on, it's on. Ooh. Shake pen before use and store it upside down to prevent the felt tip from drying out between uses. Future you will thank you. So waterproof micro liner. It's called Wingman. It's in the color I'll be back. So that's interesting. I'm gonna hold on to this. I have a couple open, but I like the fact it's waterproof. You know, if I use liner, it's gonna be this. I don't have any on today, but so I'm cool with that. The last thing in here is from Norse. And it's Skin Meditation Gel Cream, Hydrating Gel Cream. It says the fluctuating hormones, especially around your period, can make your skin super sensitive. Luckily, the soothing gel cream is here to help it chill out. It's loaded with cooling peppermint oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid to give you soft, dewy skin at every stage of your monthly cycle. Sensitive skin needs protection, so layer this gel cream under your favorite SPF before you head out in the morning. This is cruelty-free and vegan. EWG certified. Oh, so Environmental Working Group is a nonprofit, nonpartisan organization whose mission is to empower people to live healthier lives through breakthrough research and education. Norse has undergone the rigors of EWG testing and proudly displays it as a symbol of our steadfast commitment to the well-being and safety of consumers. Hyperallergenic soothing gel cream will give your skin peace. Massage a small amount morning and night. Sodium hyaluronic is after the peppermint oil. That's like the last ingredients. There's only about 12 or so ingredients, maybe 10. Phthalate free, PEG free, GMO free, SLS free, natural colors, paraben free, fragrance free, 98% natural, alcohol free, no animal testing, silicone free. They have all that labeled. There's the ingredients at the very bottom. So I'm interested in this. I mean, I need more moisturizer. I don't care about it. Doesn't just have to be on your period. I mean, your hormones can fluctuate any stage of your life, no matter which doing. So I would just be interested in this just now. Take a breakout and everything. But if I decide I don't like it, I'll just pass it on to one of my nieces. It's like clear. Ooh, it is pepperminty. My skin's okay with peppermint because, you know, that highlight, like I've been mixing with the Jeffree Star one, has peppermint oil in it, and it's not been doing anything to my cheeks, so it looks like rubbed in a little bit. It's not an overpowering peppermint oil. It is there, but it's not like gonna strangle you. This is the bag, and I'm really loving this bag. That's gorgeous. The marble. And it feels like vinyl, but it's not shiny. I mean, I love that. I love that color. It's so pretty. That silvery pink. That's the back. I love this. Hello, you are my new makeup bag from now on. All right. So that was my box. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.